Hey there guys, welcome to the Swavy Curly Nursery Tour. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, if you're here for a nursery room tour, hi, my name's Courtney and normally I talk about all things wavy curly hair. I know. You're shocked. I look like a wavy curly girl right now. But that is not the purpose of today's video. Today's video, I'm showing you baby girl's room. A lot of you guys seemed really interested in this video, so that's why we're doing it. In preparation for this video, I actually looked at nursery room tours on YouTube, and apparently everyone's nursery is boho. So I'm gonna call this not a boho nursery room tour, but it's actually more of a budget nursery tour, which is kind of nice. So hopefully there's some tips and tricks here for you guys. If you want to do this more on a budget and it still look cute. I think it's cute. What do y'all think? If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Tell me down below. Without further ado, here we go. First off, we are starting with the dresser. This is actually a piece of furniture that we thrifted. I suppose you could call it thrifting. We purchased it off of Facebook Marketplace for a very affordable price. It took a lot of love to fix up this dresser. This was actually the changing table that I used for my son when he was little. He is now 5, but I refinished it all myself. And we've had this for a few years now. It's lovely because it has so much storage in it. We did get the skip hop changing pad. It's not the Kikaroon, which everyone has. That thing's expensive. This was the more affordable option, but it's nice because you can wipe it clean. This was a lamp that we repurposed. We have had this for a while. I did pick up the decor from Hobby Lobby. I love that they have soft, feminine, and girly things. I did want a mirror in this location because instead of changing a diaper, looking at a blank wall, it's nice to have a window or a mirror. We had a window with my son for the longest time. So here I'm excited because we're starting off with Hello Bello diapers. They have a really good coupon code, guys. If you want to start off, like I think the first purchase you get $20 off. Not sponsored, just telling you that that's what we're gonna do. I'm excited. How cute and tiny are these things? Oh my goodness, she's gonna be so little, guys, when she gets here. Now, you may be wondering why on earth there's a bed in here and not a rocking chair. This is actually a trundle bed that I am borrowing from my sister for a short period of time until baby girl gets a little bit older and kind of sort of starts sleeping through the night. This is going to be the option for me to nurse her with. This is an experiment. We're going to see how this goes. With my son, I wound up sleeping in the rocking chair that was in his nursery a lot. And it worked and it was fine and we both survived, but I'm wondering if this will be a better option. This will definitely not be a permanent option. There is a really, really cool over 100-year-old rocking chair that my great-great-grandmother used in her nurseries that my grandmother is going to allow me to use and bring in here once I've decided to take the bed out. I'm actually pretty excited about that. A couple more decor pieces from Hoblob. If you go digging on my channel, you'll know that I used to train horses and I love all things rustic and country. And when I saw the picture of this very cute milk cow holding flowers in its mouth, it had to go in my little girl's room. It just did. There was no other option for that. Also, y'all know what this is for. When I go into labor, I do kind of want to hang out here at least for a little while. I don't want to rush to the hospital immediately. And one of the things that made me way more comfortable the first time around while in labor was to sit on a squishy bouncy ball. Also, this is a recommendation from one of you guys over on Instagram. You suggested that having a bouncy ball to sit on and hold your newborn and just gently bounce up and down was a great way to soothe baby. So I thought it could not hurt to have one of these in here. Another thing that I'm really excited about that we got spoiled with was this Doona. It's a transforming stroller. If you want a full review on this stroller, once we have put it to some good use, let me know. And I will show y'all everything I can think of about this thing once we've had a chance to use it a little bit. We did not have one of these with my son. Here is the crib that we will be using. And don't worry, again, the layout of this room will change eventually. Once baby girl gets a little bit bigger, we're gonna move away from the window. We'll rearrange things. This was the setup that worked best with all of these pieces of furniture in here. But what we've got so far is my son's old crib. I did paint it white, refinished it with a baby safe paint. And that was a process because it used to be espresso, like really dark chocolate brown. And yeah, it took a lot of coats of paint to get it white. I didn't prime it, which is probably why it took so many coats, but I repainted this. It was kind of fun because I refinished the dresser for my son, and I refinished the crib for my baby girl. So I've done a piece of furniture for both my kiddos. These sheets we did pick up off of Amazon, and don't worry, when she gets here, we will not be using the comforter. That will be for when she gets a little bit older and we turn this into a toddler bed. It's just here right now so that it looks pretty for you guys. Also, pillow won't be here. Don't worry. This mobile is actually the mobile that hung over my crib and my sister's crib. It's over 30 years old. It's a very sweet, sentimental family piece. And I kind of like it. So we're gonna see if she likes it too. I liked this crib a lot. This was the crib that we used for my son, like I mentioned. And one of the reasons that I liked it so much is that it had some storage in it. It's also got a changing area, which I never used. I felt like it was too small for him. Like it worked for the first week, and then I needed more elbow room, which is why we had the separate dresser. But anyway, the last thing in the nursery is the closet. We've got the dresser right next to the closet. Oh, we're doing Diaper Genie this time. I don't know how I feel about the Diaper Genie. We'll see. But we have a Diaper Genie. This is the closet that we have so far. Laundry hamper for her. Diaper bag will be packed before we go to the hospital. Some more very cute little girl clothes and just general storage. Here is the base to the Doona, which will go in the car before we go to the hospital, right, babe? And I'm excited that we have a video monitor from VTech. It's not the most expensive monitor on the face of the planet, but we'll get that set up shortly. There's a few other odds and ends in here. We also have, from my son, the Four Moms Mamaroo. I loved this bouncer. It was absolutely amazing, and I'm very excited that we kept it and are going to be able to use it for our baby girl. The last thing that I really am excited to show you guys, which I think I'm really gonna love, is this nursing pillow. I don't know about y'all, but I hated the boppy, the one that wrapped all the way around. I felt like it was too low. It didn't do anything. I was swaddled in this fabric that I couldn't really use. Like this pillow was just swallowing me. I love the idea of this one because you can raise your child to where they need to go, and you're not having a pillow wrap around all the way around. I guess it depends on how you hold your baby while you're nursing. If you would use all the fabric that goes all the way around, but I will have everything that I can linked down below. But moral of the story is that you can refinish pieces of furniture and save yourself loads of money. It is some sweat equity in there, but in the long run, it is worth it. If you have a Hobby Lobby in your town, they are fantastic because their decor does go on 50% sale all the time. You just have to be patient and go at the right time. Ask your family members for family pieces, heirloom pieces, like rocking chairs or mobiles. It makes it really, really personal and extremely special when you get to use those things for your baby as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I really think this room is cute, and I am so excited to see baby girl very soon. I am very excited for the videos that we have coming up while I take a short, quick maternity leave with baby girl. I'm gonna really enjoy snuggling her, but we have some incredible videos coming soon that you are not gonna wanna miss. So make sure you're subscribed, have the notification bell clicked so that you know when new videos are going live. And if there's any other baby videos that you guys are really interested in me sharing my experience with you about, comment down below. And as always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later.